Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Fashion Trends. Here are some stunning nail art designs to elevate your style. Trending nail art designs, abstract nail art, unique designs that push the boundaries of creativity, often featuring geometric patterns and bold colors. Geometric nail art, modern aesthetic with triangles, lines, and squares, perfect for casual and formal events. 3D nail art, intricate designs with sculptured nails, embedded flowers, or other creative elements. Nail stamping, time saving techniques with endless creativity, perfect for intricate designs. Seasonal and occasional nail art, summer nail art, bright colors, beach inspired designs, and tropical patterns. Valentine Day nails, heart shaped design, pink and red hues, and romantic patterns. Christmas nails, candy cane stripes, snowflake, and festive colors. Nail art techniques, blooming gel nail art creates beautiful soft designs with a blooming effect. Chrome nail art, reflective multi-dimensional shine with chrome powder or crystals. Line work, simple yet stunning designs using lines, perfect for minimalist styles. So viewers, if you like our video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and social media apps. Nail designs can be broadly categorized into several types, including geometric patterns featuring shapes, stripes, and chevrons. Geometric patterns add a touch of modernity to any nail design. Floral designs, delicate flowers, and greenery evoke a scene sense of elegance and sophistication. Abstract art, unique, one of a kind designs that showcase creativity and individuality. As the nail art industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see new trends, techniques, and innovations emerge. With the rise of social media, nail art has become a global community inspiring creativity and self expression. In conclusion, nail art is a vibrant and diverse art form that allows individuals to express themselves creativity, whether you are looking for a subtle natural look or a bold statement, making designs nail art has something to offer. So dear viewers, if you like our video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and social media apps. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to share with you 10 amazing nail art designs that you can try at home. From simple and elegant designs to more complex and bold ones, we have got you covered. First, abstract nail art. Use bold colors and geometric patterns to create a unique design, perfect for those who want to make a statement with their nails. Second, flower nail art. Delicate and feminine flower nail art is a perfect for spring and summer. Use a small brush to paint intricate detail. 3D nail art. Add some dimensions to your nail with 3D nail art. Use nail glue and decorations like rhinestones or beads. Ombre nail art, gradual color transitions from dark to light. Use a spong or a special ombre brush to achieve the effect. Geometric nail art, use tape or stickers to create sharp lines and patterns, perfect for those who love a minimalist look. Nail stamping plates and polish to create intricate designs, easy to do at home with the right tools. Pastel nail art, soft and delicate pastel colors are perfect for spring. Use a light touch to create subtle designs. Aura nail art, use a special technique to create a multicolored aura effect, perfect for those who want a unique and eye-catching designs. Easy nail designs for beginners, simple and easy to create designs, perfect for beginners. Use nail polish and basic nail art tools to get started. So viewers, if you like our video, don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and social media apps, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel